How to make your Facebook account completely private on your phone. What's up everybody? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily make your Facebook account completely private. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up your Facebook. Once you get to your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account and head over to your menu section. Once you get here, you just want to head over to settings and privacy and then tap on the settings menu. From here under tools and resources, you will see this privacy checkup. Just tap on it. And now from here, you will see multiple options. So you just want to go step by step. Go ahead and tap on the first one. And here under who can see what you share, you just tap on continue. Make sure that all of this is set to only me, like your email, your date of birth, your relationship status, your education, your friends and following as well. So once you do that, you can just tap on next. And under your default audience, you can choose only me or your friends. Under your stories, you can do only friends and you can even make your custom list. Once you do that, just tap on next and then tap on next. So once this is done, you can review another topic on how to keep your account secure. Tap on continue. If you want, you can turn on all of these alerts. I'm just going to skip this for now. And from here, you just tap on skip. So as you can see here, you can review another topic. Tap on the third one where you can see how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on continue. And here you just make sure that it's set to friends of friends. So anyone on or off Facebook will not be able to find your account, but your friends of friends will be able to find your account. Tap on next and you're good to go. After doing all of this, your account should be pretty private. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.